Warmth in words, unpacking, hug in a mug. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's as cozy as it sounds, hug in a mug. This expression is a delightful part of the English language, and we're going to explore what it means, where you might hear it, and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. What does hug in a mug actually mean? At first glance, it's a phrase that combines warmth and comfort, two things we all love. But let's dig deeper. A hug is a universal gesture of affection, support, and comfort. When we say something is like a hug in a mug, we mean that it's providing those same feelings, but through a delightful, warm drink. You can use this phrase on a chilly day, when sharing a cup of hot cocoa with friends, or when you're enjoying any warm beverage that makes you feel comforted and at ease. For example, after a long day, this tea is like a hug in a mug. It's perfect for those moments when you feel a drink is not just tasty, but also emotionally uplifting. It's interesting to note that hug in a mug isn't just an isolated phrase. It's part of a larger cultural appreciation for the little things that bring us joy. In English-speaking cultures, especially where cold weather is common, there's a significant value placed on the warmth and comfort that comes from simple pleasures like a hot drink. We hope this video has given you a warm and fuzzy understanding of the phrase, hug in a mug. It's more than just words. It's about the experience that those words evoke. So next time you're sipping your favorite beverage, think of it as a little hug, and remember how rich and expressive the English language can be. Cheers, and may all your drinks offer a hug in a mug.